Cousin to Wike, I was posted here since last year. Nobody complained that I'm a cousin to Wike. Of course, Wike is my cousin. Am I hiding it? He's my cousin. So what I'm telling you, that Wike is my cousin does not mean that I'm a Nigerian. I'm not a Nigerian again. Am I not qualified to hold such position? Don't I have experience to do that? And I have character to do that. And one man, nobody can force me to do what is wrong. I won't do that. Why they are complaining is because I have refused to maybe eat to their baby. Nobody can force me to do what is sort of I resign. If he can't call, he can't even try to call me. He can't do it. My duty here is to conduct an election in line with the vision and the mandate of the commission. So that is to say, I will conduct election here that is free, fair, credible, and all-inclusive. The election that will be free from pity. I don't think anybody can do that. They are not talking from the point of knowledge. They are not talking, because do you have the password? I don't even have the password. Even me as the resident electoral commissioner, I don't even have it. How can you compromise? Those are mere speculation that cannot be verified.
So what
of course, what do you expect in a situation like this? People can't have. I have told them, if you have any reservation, please let the world know. Don't hide it. And I've also told the observer, I was with the foreign observers here, I said, please escalate anything you think we are not doing correctly. Let the world know. But to the best of my knowledge, the commission is on track. And no amount of intimidation that will deter us from doing what is right. I want to assure Edo people that their vote, we can't. And they submitted their list of candidates. Then court, a week ago, court ordered that we should include one political party, rescue the government. And there are now 18 political parties. It's a process. We publish a 12 item in the program. That is the timetable and the schedule of activities. We have successfully executed 12 of them. We have successfully executed the 12. In fact, the 12 ended yesterday. The end of political parties' campaign ended yesterday midnight. Then by tomorrow, God willing, we'll be going for the 19th one, which is the election proper. So it is a process. Election is not an event. So when people ask, how are you prepared for today? We have started preparing this thing. Let me tell you some of the things we have done so far. We are aware that we are involved in the continuous voters registration, which we have done. We have given the cards to the registrants. We even extended the period because of their demand. We started 5 days for the ROH. After 5 days, we gave 8 days for the local government. When they requested, we also extended it by 3 days. They have collected their PVC card, and the election will be based on those people that have collected their PVC card and not the total number of registration. We have also given the political parties the register of the voters. They have it. Then on our part, I know that is the one you are prepared to. We have trained people with disability, PW, persons with disability, PWD, so that they can be well equipped for the voting. We have trained our staff; they are better equipped. Train them for capacity building to improve on this process. We have also train our EOs. Everybody that is involved in this electoral process, we have all trained them. So they are well equipped for the job tomorrow. Then we have also moved both our non-sensitive and sensitive material to their various local government. In fact, yesterday, we moved the sensitive material. When I talk about sensitive material, we are talking about the result sheet, we are voting this thing. We are also talking about beavers. All have been moved. But before we did that, we called the political parties for inspection, and they all inspected. They came, we inspected with the security agents. We also signed the result sheet before that. Me and the National Commissioner and I, we signed the result sheet. We asked whether there are reservations, whether they have any reservations. They told us that they were satisfied with the process. Nobody complained. And now we also told them that they should move with the material so that they know where the materials are really going. So they went with the materials to the various local government, the 18 local government areas. So far, there's no problem with that. This morning, we have started distributing the non-sensitive and sensitive material to their racks. And the philosophy behind the racks is that the racks are closer to the polling unit, so that by 8:30 tomorrow, our personnel and the materials will be at the polling unit. That is the idea behind that. We have also made arrangements for logistics. We have hired boats for areas that have water, that is the riverine area. We have boats for them, a life jacket for them. We also have transport for the land area, that is vehicles and other. We have also made contingency plan for areas that could not be accessed by motor and that where we use a motorcycle. INEC, this election we are conducting it in line with the legal frameworks and the guidelines of INEC. And when we are talking about legal framework, we are talking about the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. We are talking about the Electoral Act of 2052. We're also talking about cause pronouncement. I just gave you an example that the court ordered us to include one political party, the Rescued Me movement, and they are part of the parties that are really contesting for this election. They should come out en masse and vote people of their choice. The people of the candidate of their choice and the party of their choice, they should come out and be rest assured that their vote will count.